Hi, it's Becky, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, thank you for clicking on this video. Today I thought I would show you what I got in my Birchbox this month. So for Christmas, my mum actually got me the Birchbox subscription, so I have been getting a box in the post every single month since January. I always wanted to try out one of these like subscription boxes things, but I never was too sure if it would be worth it, so I thought it might be quite good if any of you are sort of thinking about signing up and you're not really sure, if you kind of see what is in the box and what I think of it. So I am also going to leave a code in the description bar, so if you did want to sign up you can use that code, and I think it means you get £5 off. I'm obviously not working with Birchbox or sponsored or anything because I'm a very little YouTube channel, but this is just like a friend referral thing. So this is my May Birchbox box, but normally they don't come in a like tin box. So this was April's box, so you can see it's kind of like a cardboard box with a little drawer thing. Every other box that I've got has been like this. So when I got the one in the tin, I actually thought that's really nice because you'll be able to use the tin again. Obviously you can use the little cardboard box again, but not as easily as say you would with a tin. So when you open it, there's always a little leaflet explaining exactly what is in your box, what's inside your May Birchbox, and then it's got all the products along here and their recommended retail price. And then it just says, hello Birchboxes, May is here, and with it brighter days and fresh optimism. So it's time to let your natural beauty shine through this month and to always remember that you're blooming lovely. So obviously there's flowers on here, and then on the tin there's flowers, so it's like blooming is the theme. And then you also always get some sort of leaflet with like a discount code for another shop or something along those lines. I think there's been a new look discount before, obviously the Anthropology. So it's not anything to do with Birchbox, but you just get like another little thing in there. And then this is the box. So you typically will get one full-size item and then the rest of them are like sample sizes. So what I'm going to do is talk you through each item, and then I did actually try every single thing out this morning, so I will let you know what I thought. So the first thing is this Protect and Detangle Beauty Protector, which is exclusive to Birchbox. So this says, this Birchbox favourite seals cuticles to smooth, moisturise and defrizz. It also provides UV and heat protection, safeguards colour and adds shine. Hold the bottle 4 to 6 inches away from clean, towel-dried hair and then spray it in a few times. Comb through to evenly distribute and then style as desired. Obviously when my hair is curly I don't brush it once it's dried. If I was going to test out this product I thought I better properly test it. So I put it on my wet hair, combed it through, and then I styled my hair with an actual hairdryer this time. Normally when I'm blow drying the brush gets stuck numerous times, but it didn't get stuck at all. I did style it in a way that I would normally brush it, but even normally if I do this I can't do that with my hand. My hand would get stuck because my hair would just still knot. So it has definitely done its job because we're not knotty at all, which for my hair to not be knotty is quite amazing. The recommended retail price of this is £21.50. That's for obviously a full-sized item. It has definitely made a difference to my hair. My hair is more glossy. Definitely was easier to style. So I'm really happy with this little sample, and I will definitely be using this more and probably will be repurchasing a big size of it. So the next item I got is the Marcel micellar water. I think this might be the original micellar water, the one that kind of made everyone else go a bit mad for it. So this says, Marcel micellar water, normal skin. When we want to strip things back to basics and forget our lengthy skincare routine, we always reach for this gentle micellar water. I don't know why I'm conducting while I'm speaking. Acting as a cleanser and a makeup remover, it's packed with aloe vera and glycerin to soothe and hydrate. Even better, it's completely rinse-free, so you'll be done in a few quick swipes of a cotton pad. The big bottle of this retails for 18 quid. Says you won't find Marcel anywhere else in the UK. This award-winning brand is exclusive to Birchbox. So yeah, I think this is the one that it was French, I think. And basically this started the whole micellar water craze. So I did use it this morning. I just put it on a bamboo cotton pad like I would normally do and wiped it over my face. and I wiped it over my eyes and everything. It didn't irritate any part of my skin. It hasn't got any scent to it at all, and it definitely did clean my skin. I normally wipe it over and I can see sort of a bit of kind of grime on the pad, and you could see, yeah, there was definitely some grime on the pad, so it definitely did work. But I don't think it's worth 18 quid when you can get some that will do a pretty similar job for like a £5. Unless it's like a massive bottle. I just checked, it's not a massive bottle, it's the same size as the Garnier one, 400 millilitres. It was nice, and I do think it does the job maybe better than the other water, but I don't think it does the job that much better that it is worth spending that much more money on. But it's still nice to have a little sample of it. I will probably use that kind of on holidays and stuff. On holidays and stuff, okay. The next product I got is the Balance Me PHA Clarifying Mist. This clarifying PHA mist gently exfoliates to speed away blemishes, unblock pores and brighten your complexion. It's also packed with zinc to regulate sebum secretion and tackle shine and allantoin. I don't know what that means. To soothe skin and reduce redness. Spray it on your face or any body part where blemishes are bothering you. PHAs exfoliate, resurface and promote cell renewal with a lot less irritation than AHAs. It's a little bit too scientific for me. I sprayed that on my face this morning and it says pat in until fully absorbed. So I did do that and it did feel quite nice. Obviously with skincare products you're not going to notice a big difference straight away, especially something like this that does tackle blemishes. It didn't feel too tacky. Sometimes when you spray something on and have to pat it in, it feels a bit tacky. It didn't feel like that. It did feel quite nice. The smell, like it doesn't smell really, really bad, but it doesn't smell nice. It smells a bit chemical, which I don't mind, but I prefer skincare to smell really nice because I want to feel pampered. But saying that, the smell doesn't linger for too long. So this little sample is 10 millilitres and the full-sized bottle of it is only 30 millilitres and it's £18. So it does seem quite expensive. I mean, obviously if it works, that would be worth it. But like I say, with skincare, you don't know that it's going to work until you've tried it a bit more. So the fact that I've got a third of the full size in my box is pretty good. So I'm going to give this a go. I'm going to use it every day and night and see if it does make much of a difference to my skin. And obviously if it makes enough of a difference, I would purchase it, but I'm not convinced just yet. The next product I got is the Mascara Bloom Mascara, and I got the one that's Cool Aqua. So it comes in hot pink or cool aqua, but it isn't, it's just the colour of the bottle. As far as I can tell, obviously it's black. So I think it is just the colour of the bottle. I think the formula is probably the same. Yeah, it's just the colour of the bottle. This mascara's innovative spiral-shaped wand and ultra-dense fibre bristles adds intense volume and length to your lashes. The cutting-edge wand features a thin yet fluffy brush with reservoirs of mascara so you can apply the maximum amount with each stroke. The way for flake-free, fuller lashes. And then it says for instant thickness, look down and carefully coat the backside of your lashes. I have rubbish eyelashes. So me testing out this is probably not doing it justice because I think I could have the most expensive mascara in the world and my eyelashes would still look pretty pants. This retails at £23. It was quite nice, like the brush is quite nice. I don't know if you can see those, it's kind of got little like fibres in it. It's not one of those like really, really wet mascaras where it takes ages to dry. It dried quite quickly on my eyelashes, but it stayed wet for a bit so you could kind of put a couple of coats on. I did quite like it, like my eyelashes looked all right, but like I said, my eyelashes are never gonna look amazing because they just aren't that good. I can see how it would make your eyelashes look better if you had good eyelashes to begin with. Obviously I've got false lashes on my top lashes now. So I have now had it on all morning and like it's only got a tiny little like spot there. So it doesn't seem to run, which normally my bottom lash line does get quite sort of messy. So if you have got good lashes already, I think the formula is quite nice. It doesn't seem to sort of smudge too badly. It was quite easy to kind of put a couple of coats on and then it dried and it wasn't everywhere. For me, where my eyelashes aren't that great anyway, I don't really see much difference between this and like a £5 mascara. And my last product, which is a full-size product, and it is worth £28, which is pretty good. So this is the Dome Beauty Cheek Envy Pressed Powder in English Rose. We know that getting perfectly flushed cheeks can be tricky, but just one sweep of this natural rosy pink blush gives your complexion an instant healthy glow. Buff the long-lasting blendable powder into the apples of your cheeks for a subtle finish, or build for a more statement look. Dome Beauty supports 2 women's charities, Miss Amazing and Set Up Women's Network, so that's nice. So it's obviously quite a nice company. I've never heard of them before. Obviously you can see on that swatch, it is quite a nice kind of pinky colour. It is what I'm wearing on my cheeks today. So obviously I tried this on my cheeks today, and I have to say it was really easy to use, really easy to blend. And it wasn't like one of those blushes that you put it on and it's like rosy cheeks, because I don't really like that. Normally pink blushes aren't really my thing, but this isn't really like a pink blush. It's sort of a bit more warmer to it. It has got a bit of a sheen to it, so I think it would be really nice even if you were kind of wearing BB cream, just to put a little bit of this on. So I really liked that blusher. I think that was well worth it. And like I say, that was £28. Birchbox for 1 month subscription is £12.95. So if you use the £5 discount, then it is £7.95. And already with that one product, you've made well over your money back. And then you've got the other samples as well, which are really nice. So the blusher is definitely my favourite thing that I got this month. Closely followed by the Protect and Detangle hair product. I will probably be purchasing this again. So that was everything that was in my Birchbox this month. If you do like this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you've tried Birchbox before, or if you try a different brand, what one you prefer. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for my channel. And like I said, if you want to give Birchbox a try, I'll leave the discount link in the description box for you. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!